Hello guys! So, kamusta tayong lahat? And almost 3 weeks na hindi ako nakapag-vlog dahil may bad news na nangyari sa family namin, which is yung aking lolo sa father side is namayapa na. So, ayun, as in dinedicate ko muna yung mga araw ko or time ko dun sa lamay nung lolo ko, and ayun, medyo nag-heal muna kami ng kaunti. So, nag-stop muna talaga akong mag-vlog. So, ngayon medyo okay na lahat. And kahit papaano tanggap na rin namin, kaya ayun. So, yun. So, kung natatandaan niyo yung may isa kong vlog na parang sinabi ko doon na kapag may time kayo dalawin niyo yung mga lolo ninyo, yung mga lola ninyo, yung mga grandparents or kahit mga parents ninyo. Kasi yun nga, kailangan nating sulitin yung time na kasama natin sila. Kaya ngayon napapaisip ako na tama lang talaga yung naging decision ko na lagi naming dinadalaw yung lolo ko noon. So, kahit papaano is nakasama pa rin namin siya na mas maraming araw noon, and nakapagkwentuhan kami. So, ayun guys, back to schedule na naman kami, and yun, medyo ano pa ako ngayon, lutang. Pero okay naman na. So, ayun guys, isa pa sa na-realize ko is, kasi nga 'di ba, parang nagsisi din ako na hindi ko masyadong na-video yung lolo ko nung mga time na dinadalaw namin siya, kasi iniisip ko 'di ba, kasi baka ayaw niya. Kaya ngayon is try ko ding mag-vlog sa family. So, ayun, na-realize ko talaga napakaimportante ng mga memories kahit simple pa 'yan. So, ayun, ita-try kong mag-vlog, ika-capture yung everyday life namin, especially kahit yung mga small improvements lang ng anak ko, small improvements ko, kasi medyo health conscious na ako ngayon. So, yun. Kumbaga, memories talaga. So, ayun guys, yung share ko lang ngayon, and baka sa mga susunod na weeks is mas consistent na akong mag-upload ng video. So, yun, mag-vlog ulit ako bukas kasi today is matutulog ako ng maaga. Bawi-bawi ako sa tulog. So, good night!
Hello guys, and today we're going to do the for the next day. Ng mami naman natin. Your turn.
So guys, today is babalik kami sa store na pinuntahan namin last week kasi may bibiling kami dong wall display. So, yun yung babalikan namin ngayon. And ito yung aking outfit. Outfit check tayo. Ayan. So, floral top lang at saka jogger. And iiwanan natin si Aiden tsaka si Mama. So, kami lang yung pupunta doon. And bibilan na lang siguro namin sila ng Jollibee. So, maulang umaga ngayon guys. Pero, go pa rin kami ni Daddy. So, mag-vlog ako doon sa store para makita ninyo.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
bag. Wait, we got your bag. Okay, mommy. And
I want to open it, please.
yeah, here, oh, you just open it here.
You open it here.
Insert. Wow.